idea. All right, let's get it going. Whoa, we're actually getting some speed. Whoa, why is it so cloudy? Whoa, I think there was something big to, oh yeah, there's like clouds. All right, we must be coming up. Isn't that it right there? Like up ahead?
Oh yeah, that's definitely.
And here, why don't you push out to your left? Oh, is that another one? Or is that just a rock? AJ, see this big rock? That big rock.
Oh, yeah.
See, you can see its head.
Bubbles?
Yes.
Alright, go towards it.
Yeah, 2 turtles down. That's already better than last time as of now. No, I see it. Hold on, stop. See, it's like right there. Oh, there goes. There he goes. Yup, look at him go. All right, hit it. Break. Easy there. Just try to bring me as far up as you can.
Let's go scope out a spot.
Like right about here.
Oh yeah, this is perfect.
Just shoot it right through there, like on this side.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh Chris, these are actually thorns.
It's fine. Look, we'll be able to just cruise right through them.
Chris, I don't want to down this.
I'm in the boat too now, so.
Heck, stop.
All right, just don't drown. Are you gonna take on water?
No, not yet.
Here you go, I'm trying to lean. Oh, whoa. Oh. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh, that was so tricky. All right, well, we made it out of there.
I lost it. Wasn't the boat over here?
Yeah? No, was it the next one? One chair rescued. Ah. Good enough. Check it behind you. Water bottle rescued. Yeah, there's a little cut in there. But you honestly, I mean, there's no getting. Oh, here's the boat. There's the boat. Yeah, but that is the old boat. I wonder how that got here. Yeah, it's a pretty nice view here. Is that one way out there? Oh yeah, that's definitely one right there. That's definitely one. Dude, that thing is gargantuan. Jeez. Holy crap. Get closer. Bubbles. Hey, there's a tiny one right there. He's a real little one. Here. Right down there.
Still want to go back to
Right here. I see it. Right there. Nice. Don't break the dock, mate.
Stop trying. Yeah, I knew. No problem.
Whew.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. Ugh.